Students, now let us start with question number 15th of exercise 6.3. It says a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long on the ground. Find the height of the tower. बेटा जो शैडो होती है वो ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर रहेगी, जो भी आप ग्राउंड पे पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग और अ पोल इज स्टैंडिंग, देन शैडो इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर टू दैट. सो हियर दिस ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. हमने जूम कर लिया कि ए बी जो है वो पोल है और पी क्यू जो है वो टावर है. तो बी सी पोल की शैडो है और क्यू आर टावर की शैडो है. गिवन है हमें कि पोल की लेंथ 6 मीटर है और पोल की शैडो 4 मीटर लेंथ है, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर हुज शैडोज लेंथ इज क्यू आर, दैट इज 28 मीटर. सो हमारे पास टू फाइंड हो गया हाइट ऑफ द टावर. सो वी विल राइट इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंड ट्राइंगल पीक्यूआर, angle B is equal to angle Q each 90 degree and angle C is equal to angle R. At the same time sun rays make equal angle with tower and pole. बेटा जो sun rays fall करेंगी वो same angle से यहाँ से same angle लेते हुए fall करेंगी, तो by angle sum property ये वाला angle भी equal हो जाएगा. Now this implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by a similarity. So when the triangles are similar, the sides are in equal ratio. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR by CPST. Now putting all the values, 6 by PQ is equal to 4 by 28. So this gives us PQ is equal to 42 centimeter, or height of tower is 42 meters. Now coming to question number 16th. It says if AD and PD are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. बेटा हमें ये गिवन है कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हैं. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given. So this implies their sides are in the same ratio. That is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR by CPST, and angle B is equal to angle Q. अब बेटा एक चीज और, फ्रॉम हेयर अगर मैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं और 2 से डिवाइड कर दूं, नाउ दिस इज 2, दिस इज 1. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम 1 AB by PQ is equal to half BC by half QR. This means AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. अब as AD and PM are medians, therefore D and M are midpoints of BC and QR respectively. So we can write AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, and also from here to angle B is equal to angle Q. So from 2 and 3, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. ये दोनों छोटे ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए. जब दोनों छोटे ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए तो इनके साइड्स का रेशियो सेम हो गया. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज ए बी बाय, ये बेटा मैं छोटा छोटा लिख रही हूँ, यू कैन लिसन एंड राइट इन योर कॉपी. ए बी बाय पी क्यू is equal to AD by PM. which was the required result, which is the required result. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. With this we finish exercise 6.3. बेटा ये जो अभी हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया है, इससे आप ये रिजल्ट भी याद रख लो दैट व्हेन द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, देयर साइड्स आर इन सेम रेशियो एंड ऑल्सो देयर मीडियंस आर इन द सेम रेशियो. Beta, after this, the next topic which we will do is areas of similar triangle. Now that is, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. मतलब कि अगर ये हमें दिया हुआ है कि ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, तो इसका एरिया अपॉन इसका एरिया इज इक्वल टू साइड ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल अपॉन साइड ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल का होल स्क्वायर. देखिए रेशो तो आपको पता था कि तीनों साइड्स का सेम होता है अगर ट्राइंगल सिमिलर होता है तो, और एरिया का रेशो किसके बराबर होता है? साइड्स के रेशो के स्क्वायर के. नाउ दिस इज थ्योरम 6.4 but its proof has been deleted from the syllabus, so we are not going to do the proof of this theorem, but exercise we will surely do. It is there in the syllabus and you have to learn this result. Again I am saying that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वर्ड ध्यान रखना है बेटा, अगर ए बी बाई पी क्यू इक्वल है तो ए बी बाई पी क्यू के स्क्वायर के लेना है एरिया आपने. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज 6.4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सेज let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square respectively. 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. बेटा ये दोनों ट्राइंगल जो है वो सिमिलर है, ये गिवन है, तो मुझे ये भी लिखना चाहिए था देयर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC, सॉरी एरिया नहीं, ट्राइंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC 64 centimeter, area of triangle DEF 121 centimeter square, EF is equal to 15.4. We need to find BC. So आप कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? Given और you will write area of, given रहने दीजिए, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF इज इक्वल टू, अब हमें EF दी हुई है, EF के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग क्या है? BC. सो BC बाय EF होल स्क्वायर, और रीजन में लिख दीजिए एज ट्राइंगल ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now this implies area of triangle ABC is 64 by 128 is equal to BC by 15.4. This is 64 by 121 beta, sorry, 15.4 whole square. Now we can write this 64 and 121 as 8 by 11 का whole square equal to BC by 15.4 whole square. This implies when powers are same, equality of sign is there, then bases are equal. So this implies 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. This implies BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 by 11. So 11 ones are 11, 4, 11 fours are 44. So 8 into 1.4. So this gives us 112 or 11.2 centimeter. Now coming to question number 2, it says diagonals of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. If AB is equal to twice CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and triangle COD. Beta, it is given that ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC and also AB is twice CD. So let me change the name here. यहाँ पर AB छोटी दिख रही है. So let us name this as ABCD. Now somewhat it is looking like AB is twice CD. Now we need to find area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD. So how to do this? Beta, first we will prove that these two triangles are similar. So let us write that in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Also, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles because AB parallel to DC given. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. And second point, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles, comma, AB parallel to DC. So this implies triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AA similarity. Now children, when the triangles are similar, we have just learned that their ratio of their areas will be equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So this implies area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to AB by CD ka whole square. Now it is given that AB is equal to twice CD. So AB को हम twice CD लिख के upon CD whole square. So CD gets cancelled. So 4 by 1 or 4:1. So area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to 4 by 1. Now coming to question number 3. In figure 6.44, triangle ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by BO. Now beta here, see here, ये given है कि BC बेस के ऊपर ट्राइंगल ABC और ट्राइंगल DBC बने हुए. BC बेस कॉमन है अपर एंड लोअर ट्राइंगल के लिए. We need to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Beta, for this we need to do a construction. So we will write here construction. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and also DN perpendicular to BC. Now first step, we will prove these two triangles as congruent. So in triangle AMO and triangle DNO, we will write not congruent beta, similar. In triangle AMO and triangle DNO similar हम prove करेंगे. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 vertically opposite angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, each 90 degree. So this implies triangle AMO is similar to triangle DNO by AA similarity. Now why we have done this? So that we can say the sides are in the same ratio. So this implies AM by DN is equal to AO by DO. AO by DO. अब हमें एरिया का रेशियो बोला है बेटे. सो नाउ वी विल फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DBC इक्वल टू, अब हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट का फॉर्मूला लगा रहे हैं, तो हाफ बेस वी विल टेक एज BC एंड हाइट एज AM. So half BC into AM by half, base is same for the lower triangle, so BC into DN. Now this BC, half BC gets cancelled off, so this is equal to AM by DN. Or in the previous step we have proved that AM by DN is equal to AO by DO. So instead of AM upon DN we will write AO by DO, which is the required result.